everyone! Today I'm gonna be making a Brazilian chicken croquettes, which we call in Brazil Croquete de Frango. Let's go for the ingredients. First you need to grind 1 rotisserie chicken, 4 tablespoons of butter, salt and pepper, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 clove of garlic minced. First you're gonna have to do is to melt the butter. Now that the butter melted, you add the milk, and the chicken stock. Now that you blend all together, you add the flour. You mix all together. Now you're gonna add the chicken. You mix all together. You're gonna add the garlic. Some salt and pepper. And you're gonna let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that you let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to set aside and let it cool off before you start making the balls. While you wait to cool off, prepare a sheet, a pan, a flat pan. Then you can put some sheets on top so you can place the balls in here. So now that you let it cool, you can grab a nice spoon and shape with your hands a little ball. After you shape all the balls, we're gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill in the fridge for a little while. Now that I put all the balls in the tray, we're gonna put it in the fridge. Now that the mixture is chilling on the fridge, I'm gonna show you the ingredients for the breading. And the ingredients are 2 eggs beaten slightly, 2 cups of milk, 3 cups of breadcrumbs, and 3 cups of ground crackers. What you're gonna do is you're gonna mix the milk with the eggs. And you mix the crackers with the breadcrumbs. Now that I have taken out the fridge, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip on the milk mixture and the breadcrumbs and put them back on the tray. Now that we are all finished, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about 3 hours. I know it's a long time, but this time you can watch a movie and play with your kids and wait until it's cool off. Now that 3 hours has passed, I took the balls out of the fridge and now it's time to fry them. You just put oil. When it's very hot, you start putting the balls in it. And let's fry them. You just want to fry it until it's light brown, because the chicken is already cooked and you just want to get the texture outside. It's light brown. Now that we fry everything and it's all done, let's get one and cut it open and see. Looks delicious. I put the chicken croquettes on the side. Now we're gonna make a gravy to put on top of it. And let's go for the ingredients for the gravy. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of chicken stock, and 3 tablespoons of flour. What you're gonna do first is to melt the butter. Just let the butter melt. Now that the butter melted, you're gonna put the 3 tablespoons of flour. And just whisk it all together. Now I put the chicken stock slowly. And you're just gonna let the mixture come to a boil. Now that the gravy is done, let's make the plate. You place it all in a plate. Gravy on top. And you garnish with some parsley and a lemon on the side. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook page, YouTube, Marley's Kitchen. Go there, like, share with your friends, and until next time, bye!